check out the of Good day. This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the Oraimo Watch 6. On our first video, we have the unboxing review of the design, the specs, and the UI. On this video, we are going to focus on the menus and features. So if you are interested to know more about the Watch 6, watch this video, and of course, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and explore the menus and features of the Oraimo Watch 6. So before we dive into the features, let's take a look at the design first. So we do have a sporty looking smartwatch. We have a rotary crown button here and the zinc alloy middle frame. PC material on the back, quick release pin for our flexible silicone strap with a stainless steel buckle. For the features, as you can see here, we do have AI generated watch face. I think this is available in the support app. Anti-scratch, panda glass, heart rate and blood oxygen monitoring with 8 days of usage. 2.04 high definition screen, smart health insights. So we'll check that. And it includes a free extra strap. For the UI here, on top we have the settings here and options for your wearable. On the bottom part we have the notification, we have the split screen, and of course we have the widgets. So far, very responsive, smooth operation for the smartwatch screen display. We have a rotary function. To access the main menu, just press the power button. So let's change this to the list menu if there's an option. We have the system. Let's go with the display, app view, list view. Okay, so let's check out the offered menus and features on the Watch 6. Press the power button. We have the sports functions here. Based on the UI here, I think it has more than 50 to 100 sports functions. We do have the categories here for running, fitness, outdoor, and other sports functions. So we have winter sports, dance, leisure, and other sports. Going back, we have the sports record, daily activity tracking. We have AI voice assistant, Bluetooth call, music control. We also have here heart rate monitoring, sleep monitoring. Let's see the UI here for the heart rate. Okay, that is just simple. We have the, what's this, measure. Okay, it measures what? We'll check on this one. I think maybe this is for the stress monitoring. We have the blood oxygen. We have the pressure here. I don't know if this is blood pressure or other pressure here. I will check on the details on the Oraimo website if there are details. We have breathing exercises, remote camera control. We have weather report here, alarm clock, world clock, stopwatch, timer, calculator, find phone, message notifications, flashlight, and of course the settings. In the settings, we do have brightness and display adjustment. We have adjust brightness here. Okay, we are on a full brightness mode. Display duration up to what? 20 seconds. Okay, we have the watch face, the app view. We have 1, 2, and 3. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, at least 5 options. Raise to wake, there's an option also. Do not disturb mode, We have power saving mode, media audio for the Bluetooth music control, I think, and the Bluetooth call. For the system, we have reboot, off, and reset. We have the QR code for the Oraimo Health and the About section here. So Oraimo Watch 6 OSW 807. For the flashlight, let's see if there's other options. No, on and off only. Calculator, stopwatch here, timer, world clock. So you have to connect it first in the, or you can set this in the support app. You have breathing exercises, the blood oxygen here, and music control with the volume adjustment, as you can see here. Bluetooth call support with, okay, so we have the switch here. Okay, so can just switch to, I guess, to notifications only, and with option to answer also if you set it to full Bluetooth connectivity, or full Bluetooth call. You have the contact support, emergency contact, call records or call history, and dial. Okay, so we have some instructions here. Voice assistant, okay, sports record, and that's it, workout. So far, it got the basics and advanced features for our Oraimo Watch 6 smartwatch. Again, it has a premium body built, zinc alloy body frame, preloaded with the health, sports, and with the Bluetooth call and push notification support. There's also a world clock and multiple menu options, and we have here the AI generated watch face for personalization. So that's it for the unboxing review of the menus and features of our Oraimo Watch 6 model OSW 807. So if you are interested to know more about this wearable, subscribe to our channel, like and share, and of course drop a comment below. Again, this is the Oraimo Watch 6 smartwatch.